Hey everyone, and welcome to the Islamic Quiz channel. So, let's begin this journey of knowledge and reflection. Let's go. In Islam, what does the term halal mean? Answer is permissible, lawful. Which of these animals is categorically haram for Muslims to eat? Answer is pig pork. To be halal, what must be invoked at the time of an animal slaughter? Answer is the name of Allah. Which of these is a key method of slaughter expressly forbidden in Islam? Answer is strangulation. Which food is described as having a cure for people in the Quran? Answer is honey. Which of these is considered haram? Answer is blood poured forth. According to the Quran, what is the general rule regarding all things? Answer is they are permissible unless stated otherwise. Which of these is a sunnah food, especially for breaking fasts? Answer is dates. What is the ruling on consuming meat from an animal that died of natural causes? Answer is forbidden, haram. Which intoxicant is explicitly forbidden in the Quran? Answer is khamr, wine intoxicants. Which of these foods are mentioned together when Allah swears by them in the Quran? Answer is figs and olives. According to most scholars, what is the status of seafood like fish? Answer is generally halal. What is the status of carnivorous animals with fangs, e.g., lions, and birds of prey? Answer is haram. Which common food additive is often haram because it is derived from pigs or non-halal animals? Answer is gelatin. What is the status of cheese made with microbial vegetarian rennet? Answer is halal. Which Quranic verse allows consuming otherwise haram food in a state of dire necessity? Answer is Surah Al-Baqarah, 173. What is the pre-dawn meal before the fast of Ramadan called? Answer is suhoor. What is the meal to break the fast at sunset during Ramadan called? Answer is iftar. Which of these is a core prohibition during the fasting hours of Ramadan? Answer is drinking water. During which holy month are Muslims obligated to fast? Answer is Ramadan. Which school of thought generally forbids shellfish like shrimp and crab? Answer is Hanafi. Which of these is a food specifically mentioned as a descriptor of paradise in the Quran? Answer is milk. What is the term for food whose permissibility is doubtful or unclear? Answer is mashbu. What is the key requirement for meat from the people of the book, Jews and Christians, to be halal? Answer is it must not be dedicated to idols and be from a halal animal. Which of these is a common source of non-halal enzymes in cheese production? Answer is pepsin, from pigs.